A medic from Doctors Without Borders, or Medicines Sans Frontiers, has given first-hand perspective about the challenges and experiences he had while working in a Gaza hospital during the Israel-Hamas conflict. During a press conference held in Cairo on Friday, Enrico Valaporta, an Italian intensive care nurse with the MSF who left Gaza on Thursday, said he had worked in central Gaza's Al-Aqsa Martyrs Hospital for several weeks amid very tough and dangerous conditions.
When I arrived, there were more than 650 patients. And added to this patient, there were thousands and thousands of refugees. They were living in the hospital or mainly in the area between the building of the hospital and the external wall. We couldn't continue to work in a safe context. This has been a pretty heartbreaking situation because to decide to evacuate means to move all our staff out of the hospital, means to leave the patient. There were more than 700 patients. You cannot move 700 persons to move nowhere because there is no place where they can go safely. We decided to go in the south. After 2 days, we faced another difficult situation. That was a shelling of the guest house, of the shelter where were living part of our staff. Was a shelter with more than 100 staff and families that has been shelled. And fortunately, the bomb that went through didn't explode.